how did the difference make us feel so empowered then? Like we felt really like we could really change the world. And it was because we were different.
In his work, on the one hand, it's celebratory, and on the other hand, there's disquiet.
It's not so much advocating for one particular demographic as much as it's saying everybody is equally as complex. Like we're all kind of equally as messed up as we are really pulled together. It's asking to create a space in which what could be otherwise very vulnerable is actually empowering.